Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Yeah, a lot of people ask me for a Mana update because Mana shows some upside momentum at the moment. Nothing major because I start on the zoomed out with a zoomed out perspective. You see that this is quite a weak chart and it looks pretty much like most of these metaverse gaming coins. Not really clearly bullish, okay? And overall, the problem is that the initial rally looks really like a three-wave move up. And I can already count 5 waves down as well from the all-time high into the recent lows here in September 23, October 23. Then the idea is that this here could have been an A wave, a B wave, which did overshoot to the downside slightly. And now we could be working on wave C to the upside and then break down completely. Surely a more bullish scenario is possible. That's the yellow scenario. What is that? Well, in the yellow count, we completed a larger fourth wave pullback here and we could rally in wave 5, but it would take us to a new all-time high. We will see, okay? For now, I'm watching for a reaction. There is a support area between 13.9 cents and 25 cents on this chart. As long as this is holding, I'm watching for higher in the short term to at least form wave C of 2, maybe something more bullish, but that would need proving, okay? That would need proving. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame chart. It's just the Mana chart here. Let's see if we need to adjust anything here. Yeah, so let me just adjust that. So here the idea that we could have bottomed in wave. At the time we were watching if the market could form a first 5-wave move up to, let's say, confirm a first rally. It's been a while since I've updated this chart. But it couldn't form 5 waves. That's why I'm always watching for 5-wave patterns, because without a 5-wave move, there is absolutely no indication that the chart has actually bottomed. Okay, we always need the 5 waves for a short-term setup. And the support area, you can see here the support area, 25 cents. But what happened since the August low? Did anything exciting happen? Not really. I mean, the main problem is that first of all, where you could say you have a small bit of a breakout there, okay? But the main problem is that this rally is corrective. So if we go back to the larger time frame, see the move up is considered a C wave. And the C wave can be an ending diagonal. So it could be, let's go back, it could just be let's say an ending diagonal that's a 5-wave move. And if I'm labeling that, then this could be wave 1 in 3 waves, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. But we would have to see how this is subdividing, because if I label it like that, I'm not entirely sure that third wave would need to be pretty much extended, or we will form just a smaller 5-wave move, which will be wave 1 of C. We would have to see how this C wave develops and how the subwaves develop. For now, it's not even clear if we've bottomed at all. I mean, if you want to follow that scenario that we've actually bottomed, you would need to, well, the invalidation point is the low of the wave 2 here at 23.8 cents, the 6th of September low. Is that reliable? Not really. I mean, there's nothing that would confirm that at this stage. There is upside momentum, which is what I'm saying. The trend is up at the moment in the very, very short term, but we don't have evidence from an Elliott wave point of view. This is a 3-wave move up, so it can turn into a 5-wave move as a diagonal. Nothing clearly bullish. But if you want to have an invalidation point, I just gave you one, right? And the move up in wave 3 would also be an ABC. So just like the wave 1 is an ABC, a very clear one. The third wave would also be an ABC. And we're probably still in wave A of 3, yeah. And the question would be, okay, where should the third wave actually go? Typically, we want to see as a minimum the 1.38 extension reached, 41 cents. And then wave 4 would be 35.5 and wave 5 would be like 45 to 48. And then we will have to, well, see, okay, do we have actually 5 waves? Did 5 waves get to 45 cents or higher? And if yes, then we can add the next support region to the chart which would be, let's say, the support area for a wave 2. But this is not reliable, so can easily still make another low. I'm just showing you here how would a 5-wave move look like. What would the levels be that need to be reached? And as I said, the third wave should get to 41 cents as a minimum. And we need to hold the September low now. That's the update about Mana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.